Well, the good news is I got myself a adapter for this European thing right here. I picked this up on Amazon yesterday, got it here today. So I got that battery fully charged. And yeah, I did get the battery out. Battery's right here. It's fully charged. I found the keys. The keys were up in here in this packing, so I guess, if you they were tucked right up, hanging right up on here. So I pulled those off. And I got that done. Now I'm going to go ahead and start putting it together. And we'll just have to see what happens. I'm going to just do it, and then I'll post the results later.